Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another day at Rise. Let's get started. Let's begin with our moon meter. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling calm? Or are you feeling sad, mad, or tired? Today, I feel calm because I feel like everything is slowly falling into place. How are you feeling? Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. So, everybody, let's say it together. Today is Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Everybody get ready. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Everybody all together get ready. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The month is August. What is a month? Get ready. August. So let's say it all together. Today is Tuesday, August 18, 2020. Let's try that again. Today is Tuesday, August 18, 2020. The weather is sunny. The temperature outside is 98 degrees, so it's going to be really, really hot outside. Remember, stay active. Make sure you get your exercise in. So when you do have your little exercise video, make sure you are doing your exercises. And remember to always go over your life skills lesson. This week, we are learning brushing our teeth. So for today's agenda, since today is Tuesday, we are going to be learning math. So just follow your teacher's agenda and we will be doing math today. If you have any questions, you can contact any of our teachers and they will respond to you. Let's begin.